Hi, in this video I am going to explain how you earn a lot of money by doing very simple tasks. You earn approximately 500 to 750 dollar USD dollar in a day. So watch this video complete. Inshallah you will get all the concept cleared about online earning, how you earn online money. I am going to show in the laptop screen each and every single steps. So stay tuned with this complete video. Inshallah this video will help you a lot to earn online money. So start with the topic how you earn 500 or more than $500 a day by online working. There is no such hurdles by earning online, and this websites will help a lot you to earn money online. There are a lot of ways through which you earn online money, such as I am going to show you. These are the ideas, these are the ways through which you earn money online, how to make money online with a website or a blog, make money with an awesome blog. Please students and every viewers watch this video complete till end so that you get cleared your concept and start earning online money through home. No such a very big deal, but this will help you a lot to earn money online if you are willing and searching for such a website through which you want real earning, and these websites will help you to earn money online. And inshallah I will explain you the method for payment, PayPal and etc accounts. Make money with an awesome blog, start an affiliate website, build an e-commerce website, resell web hosting. This is the most important and the highly profitable niche, and many European students work on this to earn money online. Create a digital course, create a membership site. I will explain each and everything about these so that you earn money and enjoy your life. Sell advertising space, sell your services, create a subscription job board, create an online directory, sell your websites, and ways to make money online without a website. These are the basically we are dealing with some these, and Google Translator is also very important website, and I tell you that how you use Google Translators to earn money online. So this video inshallah help you. Sell your program services, TutorKit online. These are all the websites how to make money online with a website or blog. But this video, in the topic of this video is online earning through Google Translator. So how to earn money with Google Translate, 500 or $750 a day. So start. Now I am gonna require a little bit work, little bit thinking, but I am gonna walk you through step by step to make sure you are paying close attention. The first thing you want to do is, what's up guys, it's Notified. I make weekly blogs. So this is the basically blogging type, and if you want to earn money online, so these are the basically niches. So first of all, this website, the Fiverr, and first I'm going to discuss about the Fiverr, then other websites through which earn money online by using Google Translators. So start with the Fiverr. Fiverr is the most, look at this, I will translate English to Spanish today, and he or she charging starting at $5, and so that this is, let's see, I will deliver a fast reliable translation between French and English. If you know little bit any other language, then this will help you a lot. Look at this translation expression, $100 only for 500 words, and this is not a big deal to earn such a lot of money just one night. So this is the poem basically, and this is about the gig. First of all, you have a gig. If you have a gig, then let's read this gig about this. Each translation will be done by me personally and manually. As associate lecturer in modern languages, I commit to producing student and culturally accurate translations, because there are a lot of work, a lot of languages. Most of the people who do not know about the different languages, and Google Translator, this is a Google Translator whose supported languages. There are approximately 109 languages who is supported by Google Translator. So this will help you a lot to earn online money, because if anybody don't know Arabic, Dutch, English, then Hindi, Urdu, this is the 100 number Urdu. If you know little bit about these languages, such as if you don't know about how to convert Urdu into Hindi, or if you don't know how to convert English into Hindi, such as, look at this, if we write uh, how to make money, I will explain you everything how to make money, then you convert this into Hindi. There is a Hindi, Hindi. Hindi. There, where is gone Hindi? Hindi. So this पैसे कैसे कमाएं? This is a Hindi. If your customer want to want to in Japanese or other languages such as Punjabi or Arabic or Spanish, such as Spanish. This is the Spanish language, and your order, I will translate English into Spanish today. So if you got an order about this, Javeer did an amazing job for translating my children's book. Each and everything is very important for you to earn money online. If you got order to translate English into Spanish, then you only put that English words into Google Translator. Come here, Google Translator, and put this and select the language Spanish, and okay, Spanish, and then copy this and paste where your client want and what are you writing an articles. There are a lot of other options such as digital marketing. Here in digital marketing strategy, social media marketing, social media advertising, local SEO. If you got in a day 5 to 6 order, suppose in one order you earn 100 and you you receive approximately $7 to $8 order in a day, then your daily income will be $7 to $800 a day. So this is a very good. Here I will provide an accurate translations and editing. So open this. I will provide. There is only $290 for formatting and transcriptions वगैरह. तो transcriptions से about this gig, I provide accurate translation and editing from English to Italians. And if you want English into Italians, then come here and write English. This is the English, and here Italians. This is all the languages I show you. Italian. This is the Italian, and you copy and then paste on the order, so you earn money according to your need. So this is a basically simple method for earning online. And now you are supposing that how we earn on Fiverr and how we make gig on Fiverr. There is the option Fiverr Pro, Explorer, English, USD, become a seller. First of all, you join this website and you make your gig. Inshallah, in next video I am going to explain you how you become a seller and join this website for making money online, and how you make the searchable your gig, so that in the front page, if you optimized your gig in the first page of Fiverr, then you will earn a lot of money, because if you are searchable, then every client got clear that you are in the front page and you receive a lot of your order. So inshallah, in next videos I will help you a lot through my videos to earn money online. Stay blessed. Thank you. And if you got little bit knowledge of, from this video, please make sure to like this video, and also do comment. Inshallah, I will help you a lot. God bless you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.